If quality and production are fighting in your factory, you don't have a people problem. You have a system problem. Production says, run the line. Quality says, stop the line. And the same problems keep repeating. Let's understand why this happens and how to fix it. Hi, I'm Sagar Naik, founder of Swades QMS and quality management consultant. In this video, I will explain why quality and production conflict happens, what impacts it creates, and how to solve it in a practical way, simple, structured, and useful for real shop floor. Why these conflicts exist? In every factory, both teams are under pressure. Production focuses on output, delivery, efficiency. Quality focuses on defects, customer complaints, compliance. Both are important, but the targets are different. And this creates conflicts. What happens daily? Let's see practical situation. When production is behind target, issues are adjusted. Decisions are taken to continue. Focus remains on output. When quality checks the same issue, line is stopped. Checks increase. Pressure builds. Now, both teams feel they are right, but system is not supporting them. What's the real root cause? The problem is not people. The problem is system design. In many companies, production KPIs are separate. Quality KPIs are separate. There is no common goal. Example, production target equal to 10,000 units. Quality target is equal to 0 defects. When issue comes near target, production wants to continue. Quality wants to stop. This creates conflict. Biggest mistake. Quality is treated as inspection instead of process responsibility. So, what happens? Defects are found late. Rework increases. Blame increases. Quality should not be checked at the end. Quality should be built in the process. What should change? Correct approach is build simple inside process. This means clear process, defined controls, standard work. Then quality is produced, not inspected. What's the practical solution? Let's make it very practical. First one, common metrics. Do not separate goals. Use shared KPIs. First time right, rework, rejection, delivery. Both teams should see same numbers. Second, daily management meeting. Short meeting, 10 to 15 minutes. Discuss yesterday's performance, today's plan, current problems, quality and production together. Same discussion. Third, focus on process instead of asking who made mistake. Ask which process failed. This changes mindset. Fourth, early problem reporting. Operator know problem early. Encourage them to speak. Create environment where reporting problem is accepted. This improves controls. Common mistakes to avoid. Avoid long meetings, blaming individuals, delayed decisions, only reporting, no action. Keep system simple. Daily control is important. So what's the role of leadership here? Leadership must create common goals, support correct decisions, encourage transparency. Balance between quality and production is important. What improves? When system improves, conflicts reduce, rework reduces, faster decisions, better teamwork, fewer customer complaints. Most important, problems stop repeating. Quality versus production is not real problem. Real problem is lack of system alignment. Strong system creates teamwork. Weak system creates conflict. If you found this video useful, like this video and subscribe to Swades QMS. You will continue learning practical quality management in a simple way. If you need support in building systems that actually work on the shop floor, you can contact Swades QMS. Details are in the description. Thank you for watching.